Digitalization is transforming our world, making our lives simpler, safer, and more convenient. More digitalization also means more data, more electrification, more wiring. And where wires are used, that's where KOMAX comes into play. Smart Factory by KOMAX realizes our vision of how wire assembly can be simplified and optimized. It features 5 components. Smart Factory by KOMAX minimizes operator influence. To achieve this, KOMAX is developing fully automated and networked solutions. How you benefit? You reduce labor costs and your reliance on your workforce. Productivity and transparency improve while quality remains consistently high. The self-optimizing factory improves productivity while also reducing quality costs. To achieve this, KOMAX provides cloud-based algorithms based on production and behavioral data. How you benefit? You significantly improve machine utilization and reduce your quality costs. KOMAX offers access to a digital self-service boutique. Customers benefit from services such as product and spare parts ordering, web-based training, software downloads and upgrades, license management, plus analysis and optimization tools. How you benefit? You can access KOMAX services anytime, anywhere, and get a customized picture of your business. KOMAX offers solutions and services on demand. These include performance or usage-based payment for systems, financing, and leasing services, or procurement of production capacities, for example, to handle production peaks. How you benefit? You reduce your capital requirements and increase your flexibility, stability, and responsiveness. Smart Factory by KOMAX enables real-time quality audits. Quality data is collected using IoT technology stored in the cloud and processed in a user-friendly manner. This makes it easy for customers to generate quality reports immediately. How you benefit? You can demonstrate compliance with quality requirements at any time and trace processes. As you can see, Smart Factory by KOMAX raises the quality, productivity, and flexibility of wire processing to a new level. KOMAX is and remains the #1 in automated wire processing, making all our lives simpler, safer, and more convenient in the future.